everyone. Welcome to another episode of SippingSista. Today I am joined by my good friend, Christine.
Hi.
Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you for having me.
In this sickness episode, because everybody is getting real sick this season. I feel like everyone I've talked to, except for you apparently, has been getting sick. Well, if you do actually get sick, maybe you can try one of these cocktails to make you feel a little bit better. Or we're just gonna drink it right now actually. So today we have 3 cocktails going on. We have a healthy cocktail, we have one that actually has medicine in it, and we have one that's very soothing, will help you go to sleep and relax. But before that, we have a special shot. I think every episode I've done some sort of shot, but this time we got these healthy guys right here. They are ginger, lemon, cayenne, turmeric, and oregano oil. So, you ready for this?
I get spicy at home.
Yeah, they're actually really big too. I don't think we can do it in one go.
Have you had this before?
I've had this one before, but I've always had it with like a strawberry or something to
like the
eat
chaser?
right after. Yeah.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. No!
Oh my god.
Oh my god. It really gets in there.
Oh my god.
All right, now that we got that over with, we are starting off with the first cocktail, which is called
Down with the Sickness.
Down with the Sickness, because this is a very healthy cocktail. We're gonna be combining some carrot juice with freshly squeezed orange juice, ginger, and vodka. Lots of vitamins in there. Real antioxidant rich kind of drink. I'm gonna have you juice this orange. Let me cut it real fast in half. Sorry, lefty over here. There you go. This actually looks like a really juicy orange. So.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
I'm gonna do some very thin slices of ginger. I love the sound of ginger cutting. I feel like it's a very satisfying sound. Yeah.
Such a good knife.
Look how thin that is.
Like paper.
Oh. Okay, we'll do all this inside the shaker. I'm gonna start by just smashing some of this up real fast. Muddling, if you will, just to get some of that juice and all those health benefits out of that ginger. You're really getting a lot of juice out of there. We only need like 3 ounces, so I think you're good. Ooh, should we add a little pulp in there too?
Yeah.
Why not? Let's add some of this pulp.
There you go.
This looks good. So here I have already 6 ounces of carrot juice, so I'm just gonna dump that in there. What do you think 3 ounces looks like?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna actually measure out the vodka though, because I'm not gonna just free pour vodka. I'm very bad at doing that.
How much vodka?
So we are doing like 3 ounces here. There you go. No biggie. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some ice. You ready for some shake times?
Yeah. It always makes me so nervous.
You wanna do a little shaking?
With some finesse.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I've never done this before.
Honestly, I watched a bunch of videos about, clearly not enough, about shaking. And there was this thing about, oh my gosh. Woo! Opa. There was this thing that I saw online about, as long as you're shaking it, the method doesn't really matter. You're just getting air in there. And now I'm just dripping this everywhere. We got 2 glasses here. And we're just gonna go ahead and strain this.
Oh, beautiful.
I'm just spilling everywhere today. It's okay. Just a little bit of this. And now we're gonna add our extra ginger. Oh, look at that.
It's so pretty.
I think it looks pretty good. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready.
Shot?
Cheers!
Ooh, refreshing.
This is very refreshing. Wow. It has a little bit of a ginger kick, but
The carrot's so
Honestly, my mouth is so numbed from that health shot,
yeah.
that like, even though this has a teeny ginger kick, it like is nothing compared to the spiciness of the previous thing that we did.
This is so good.
I can't even really taste the vodka in here. That's why it just literally tastes like carrot orange juice with a little ginger.
This is gonna be dangerous then. You just down
Healthy! You have never had this, but this is peipaco, which is a Chinese staple. Any Chinese household you go into, you got a cough, this is what you're run to. So, I mean, do you want to try just a little bit before we get into it? I named this drink peipaco away, you dumb cough. I have too much time on my hands. Even though this is meant for coughs, this is also meant for like just any health. So we could just eat this, it's not a big deal. Yeah. Some people combine it with water, but I just take like tablespoons. So do I just, literally, we'll just do this.
Yeah, I wanna try it.
You come to my house and I make you just take shots of stuff and eat.
Oh, it smells good.
Okay, I'm not gonna fill it up too much because I don't want you to.
Are you gonna feed me?
No, I'm gonna do one too.
Okay, we can do a cheers sword.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. You good?
I love it.
Wait, no, you don't.
It tastes like Dr. Pepper a little bit, yeah?
Oh, wow. I never thought about that. But you can combine with water too. This would be really, really good.
Yeah. It's just kind of rich.
So now you know actually this is gonna be a delicious cocktail, right?
Yeah.
Okay. This cocktail combines peipaco with brandy. You can also do bourbon if you'd like. We have some lime and some mint, and that's pretty much it. That's what makes the cocktail. So what I'm gonna have you do is get a couple teaspoons of this.
Okay.
And I'm just gonna pour some hot water in here for you.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, I think that'll be good. So we can just dilute it a little bit and make it easier to work with. I am going to muddle some limes here. Let's just do like this many. We're gonna do that many limes with a few mint sprigs. So I got a few mint sprigs in here and I'm just going to again muddle. This is a muddling episode. Nice. Okay, why don't you go ahead and just dump that in there too then.
Some finesse,
Woo! That was good. Now we have some brandy here and I'm gonna do like 4, maybe not 4, that seems like a lot. I'll just do 3. 3 ounces here of brandy. And I'm going to combine this more.
It smells really good.
Hopefully it tastes good. I'm gonna go add some ice right now. Will this ever get easier for me to do?
How do people throw it around? That's some finesse.
Okay, I think it's good. I'm putting it in these smaller glasses because I think that'll look cute. Oh, and some of the mint came through. So after this,
that's a perfect portion.
Wow,
look at
I'm
you.
just so good at this now.
You're a pro now.
We're gonna do a couple mint sprigs. How do I garnish with mint? Just stick it on there, right?
Let's go. Boop.
And go. Boop. There we go.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Ooh, that is good.
I like it a lot.
Wait. That has, it's just very minty, limey.
Refreshing, yet again.
It has a little bit of an herbal medicinal taste, like a teeny bit, but nothing crazy, right?
Yeah. It's not loud at all.
Yeah.
I feel like I would drink this on a normal everyday basis.
Am I becoming like a cocktail connoisseur? Is that what is this happening right now? Oh my god, 2 for 2. If you have peipaco in your cabinet, in your mom's cabinet, you should probably just make some of this because it's really, really good. Our final drink is something that I created in college. This is called the Stephanie's Sleepy Time Special. I was feeling very sick one time right at the end of my college career, and I had some kumquats and I had all these ingredients, and I was like, let's just combine and see what happens. And honestly, it turned out to be a delicious drink. So I'm recreating it here with you today. You can just chop them maybe into quarters.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we are again gonna muddle them. You don't need a muddler, one of these little guys, for this recipe, but it's just easier to smash them all up in there. And I have some raw honey here. I'm just gonna do like a little dollop in each. Wow. Like that. If you've never had a kumquat, you can find them usually in the like exotic fruits areas, but the insides is super, super sour and you can eat the skins. So while you're drinking this drink, you can kind of nibble on the entire fruit pretty much. I'm just gonna grab a few of these and we're gonna, I think that's good. We're just gonna grab it and then smash it. You know what? I'm gonna put a little bit of hot water in there to help it go along. Just trying to get all that honey and kumquats just nice and mixed up in there. Okay, so in college I had one of these really economical little fruit tea samplers. So which one would you like out of here?
Country peach.
Country peach. Oh, wow.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
It looks like
you know what? We will
Pop-Tarts.
do country peach passion then. Actually, you know what? I want to do a different one so we can try different flavors. So I'm gonna stick this one in yours. I'm gonna go for the raspberry zinger. I haven't had this kind of tea in a really, really long time. Here we go.
Nostalgic.
And I'm just going to fill it up, not all the way though. There we go. And give it a little stir. Okay, and now I'm just gonna freehand some bourbon. 4 Roses, one of my faves.
Freehand. Oh, dang.
That was
Nice.
that wasn't that much. I don't think I put that. She's like, I'm never coming over ever again.
I'm a little bit buzzed, so yeah. Okay.
Okay, here we go. I think that's good. It's been going for a little bit. All right. Here we are. Cheers. Cheers. Woo.
Strong.
Once you let the tea bag kind of go in a little bit more, I think mine could also use a little bit more honey.
It is good.
But it is really good. Honestly, if you're trying to relax at the end of a day of being super, super sick and you need a little bit of help going to sleep, this is
it, yeah.
This is it, honestly. I know there's honey in there, now that is some sugar, but the bourbon will knock you out.
Yeah.
All right, Christine, which one was your favorite?
My favorite was the first one.
Oh yeah, that one was really, really good.
Down with the sickness.
Down with the sickness.
It was so refreshing.
It was really, really refreshing. I think we're gonna continue drinking these after we turn off the camera. Very close second was the Peipaco one, because that was actually really good. It was the mint and the lime that was really refreshing and really, really delicious. I feel like if I was sick though, I would consume any of these. Although I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to drink alcohol when you're sick.
I would go
a
straight
little
to
bit.
this one if I were sick.
Yeah, if you're actually sick, this one would be the one, because this is the one that would actually help you and just like kind of knock you out.
Yeah.
You need sleep when you're sick, so you can drink this one.
What's up?
Well, Christine, thank you so much for coming over.
Thanks for having me. It was so much fun.
I was really worried that you were gonna just be completely scared away by all these drinks, but they actually turned out okay, so I'm glad.
So good.
Thank you. If you haven't already, please make sure to check out Christine's channel and her Instagram. I'll link it down below, of course. And also, if you haven't already by now, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Everybody's welcome to the sisterhood. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Bye.